bodyguard.
Processing.
Just like that, guys. We're millionaires.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Fail, guys.
Ipapasok ko. So kulang? 6.5 nilabas ko eh. 3 million. Hello. Off to Hanoi, Vietnam with college friends. We're here in Vietnam. Xin chào. Ay, oo nga pala. Kinchay. Charot.
A few inches later.
Xin chào from Vietnam. Today is day 1 in Hanoi and nag-check-in kami kagabi sa Little Diamond Hotel and it's located sa Old Quarter, Hanoi. So, parang andito na rin pala lahat. Parang it's giving Binondo vibe. Dami mga markets. First stop, done. Naglakad kami pupuntang St. Joseph Cathedral. And now, punta kami sa Ho Chi Minh Mausoleum. Nag-grab na kami kasi malayo-layo. Hi, we're now here at the
Ho Chi Minh.
Mausoleum. So meron pa lang something dito sa Hanoi ngayon, parang Hanoi Day, Vietnam Day or something, na may mga parade. So close yung road nila, so naglalakad kami from Ho Chi Minh Mausoleum papunta sa Demo Coffee, which is sarap. Nag-chill kami. And now we're here sa Temple of Literature. We got our tickets worth 70,000 Vietnamese dong, which is approximately how much?
160.
Pesos, right? Okay.
We're gonna explore it now.
Mm-hmm. Hi! Ayan, dahil sarado pa rin ang road, right? Naglakad kami papuntang Hanoi Train Street. Kamusta pa ang energy, guys?
Yeah! Okay, come on, let's go!
Kayang-kaya.
We haven't eaten lunch yet,
Yes.
okay?
Nagkapi
So
lang
bear with
kami.
us. Bear with us.
Bear with us!
Ano bang pakanila?
Sino kayo? Just like that, we're here sa Hanoi Train Street. Yay!
Where exactly here?
Yeah. Where do you want? Here or there? Anywhere. Right? So, as you can see, marami na rin mga nasa gilid na nag-iintay ng train kasi ang next na train, if I'm not mistaken, is 3:20 p.m. Here's our food sa Hanoi Train Street. We secured a good spot. Paano ba ito? Hihigupin ba? Kutsarahin ba? Kutsarahin. This is egg. Tapang. Pero okay lang naman. Not so. Okay naman, masarap.
One eternity later.
Hello! After everything that's happened, ayan, bumalik muna kami sa hotel para magpahinga. Now, around Little Diamond Hotel, maraming mga kainan. So, mag-roam around na kami sa mga gusto namin kakainan. May mga street food din dito. So, recommended sa Hanoi, sa Old Quarter, kayo mag-book ng hotel. Let's eat. Fa. Sarap.
Healthy yung mga tao.
Pwede. Turbulan, no?
Day 2.
Xin chào and good morning from Hanoi. Today is day 2 in Hanoi and our last day kasi tonight, and then, tonight akit kami ng Sapa through the sleeper bus. Ayun, magsasapa na kami for the next 2 days bago kami uwi ng Philippines. And look at us, walking like a local. Kahit na maraming mga motor dito. Sanayan na lang. Though, tumitigil naman sila kapag malapit ka na nilang mabangga. Na ang unang agenda ay magpunta sa Dongshuan Market. So, walking distance lang siya from Little Diamond Hotel. And dun sa Dongshuan Market, maraming mga mabibili na pasalubong din. Na mura kasi hindi siya mall. Look how busy the road is. Right?
Seed?
Lambuan. Nakakapagod makipagtawaran at ano. Pero nakabili kami ng marami dito. Hello, we're inside Lotte Mall and mag-lunch kami sa Pizza Fort. So good. Ito? Sarap po dito. Sa akin hindi. Ay, gago. Ba't nagpusit yung bibig ko? Trying the salmon sashimi pizza.
Masarap siya nito. Ito?
Sarap. Gusto ko to. I love. Hello! So we just ran out of cash and then nag-withdraw kami. And just like that, magiging instant millionaire kami. So kasi magsasapa kami and kulang na yung budget namin. So we're going to withdraw. The videographers, right?
Okay, so right now, Benjo is withdrawing some cash. We're gonna be a millionaire in just a sec. Oh.
Right?
Ayaw mo ng baril?
Kaya nga.
Okay. Yan. Okay? Alright.
Processing.
Just like that, guys. We're millionaires. Ay! Utang ina. Ay, nagsufficient.
Fail, guys.
Ipapasok ko. So, kulang. 6.5 nilabas ko eh. 3 million. Dispense.
Bodyguard.
Ay, oh my God. Ito pala. Kilag ayuda.
Oh my God, where?
Hindi naman ito buo. Oo eh. Oh. Then 500. Alright. Millionaires. Goodbye. Lotte Hotel. Ay, Lotte Hotel. Goodbye, Lotte Mall. Now we're going to Mega Grand World. Yun. Hello, nakikita niyo ba yung sa likod ko? Di ba ang ganda? Ito yung bridge dito sa Mega Grand World. And hindi lang yan yun. Meron pa dito na sobrang ganda. It's giving different vibe na outside Vietnam. And it's in Venice. Ganon yung vibe niya. And ang ganda-ganda dito. Buti na lang talaga hindi namin in-skip to sa itinerary namin. Kasi meron mga things na na-skip kasi yun nga, yung road closure, mga ganon. So yun, later, sasakay kami dito. Dyan. Sasakay kami sa gondola dyan at 5:30 p.m. Yung kasi binook ko through Klook. And yeah, after nun, pupunta kami ulit sa Old Quarter kasi doon kami magdi-dinner. And after that, we'll be going back to our hotel to prepare sa sleeper bus papuntang Sapa at 11 p.m. So, see you Sapa tomorrow. And for now, we'll just enjoy our time here. So nice here. Ang init lang, oo. Pero okay na, kaysa naman umulan, di ba? But ang ganda dito. Tapos yun nga, oh. May water taxi dito. And now, we're just taking good photos and maximizing the place. Kasi ang ganda niya talaga. I swear. We're now here sa gondola. And required pala to, okay? Mahaba-haba rin siya, ha? So, isang way lang kasi yun. Sulit na rin siya. Dito na kami sa Old Quarter ulit after sa Mega Grand World. And then, fortunately, nakasakay kami sa Bin Bus, na free bus, papunta dito sa Old Quarter. So, pwede niyo i-download yung Bin Bus para makita niyo yung schedules nila. Free siya, pabalik na Old Quarter. Perfect. How was it? How was it? Yeah, and it's edible too. Yung parang tutong sa May crisp pa ng ng garlic. I love it.
Wow.
Yeah. Ang sarap.
Bakit? Init?
Sarap. Sarap mapaso.
Ang hirap ng tandaan ng mga yun. Bitches!
Say hi.
Hi!
Ang sarap pitikin ng ng kuliti. Iyak ka sa akin. Tonight is almost 10:30 p.m. and we are checking out at the Little Diamond Hotel kasi punta na kami sa Sapa in a bit. So bye-bye hotel. Yan. Goodbye Diamond Hotel.
Hi!
Leaving
So
on a
all the
jet plane.
diamonds out there. Watch out.
Ayan, na-pick up na kami ng limousine van papunta ng Sapa. I mean, Sapa bus. So sleepy. Goodbye, Little Diamond Hotel. Bakit pagod na pagod kami?